friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you're fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you the live price changes occurs in a Theta network in the last 1 hour, 2 hour. What's the price changes occurs, what's the high price of Theta network in the last 1 hour, 2 hour. I'm going to show you in this video. So before starting this video, please hit the subscribe my channel. Please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more latest news and update. If you listen my voice, please hit the subscribe button. Now let's see what changes occur in a Theta network in the previous last 1 hour. First of all, we look the last 1 hour result of Theta network. After that, we look the last 2 hour result of Theta network. If we see the chart analysis of Theta network in the previous last 1 hour, so the chart clearly tells us that it's a falling time of Theta network. But don't worry, currently they are jumping upward. As you can see here at this position, the jumping of Theta network start now. But I'm nothing say about the Theta networks as they are going upward, as they are going downward, because in the previous result they are tell us they are going upward for a minute, they are going false for a minute. So I'm nothing say about that, but the current situation, as you can see now on the screen, is on the front. Now that is the live price change occur in the Theta network in the last 1 hour. If we look the changes of the Theta network, so it is about negative 0.4% occur in the last 1 hour. If we look the price of Theta network, it is about $13.57 is the Theta network high price in the last previous 1 hour. Now let's see, that is the live price prediction. Live price changes occur in the last Theta network. Now let's see the last 2 hour result of Theta network. As you can see now, it's loading. That is the live last 2 hour result of Theta network. Oh my god, what's this? As you can see the chart of the Theta network in the previous last 2 hours. So the Theta network fast starts from the previous 2 hours. As you can see here, they are continuously fast down, and now currently they are in the falls. If you look the changes of Theta network, so it is about negative 0.87% occurs in the last 2 hours, and the price of Theta network as high as $13.65 of the Theta network. Now if we look the current price of Theta network is about $13.51, so it is clear that Theta network is in the lows. So what's your opinion about Theta network as they grows up in the future? Are they more downward in the future? What's your suggestion about Theta network? Please share in the comment box, and make sure subscribe my channel for more latest news and updates about Theta network and more cryptocurrencies updates. I update you every hour. Thank you so much for watching this video.